Create a new document, and proceed with defining the relevant data. After a few minutes of work without saving, the program suggests saving, at least once. Save your document and type in a name. From this moment on, the program will save temporary backups, which are useful in the event of a crash. Moreover, every time you save, PriMus also creates a backup copy. Under Program Options, you can customize a few of the settings. The autosave interval, in minutes. The folder in which to save the backup file. The number of backup copies to store, before replacing the older one. These file security features allow you to work with complete confidence. Because, even if your PC suddenly turns off, can always restore, and get hold of the latest changes made to your document. Restarting. Thanks to automatic document saving, PriMus recovers the documents opened at the time of the crash. At this point, all you have to do is save the recovered document, give it a name, and resume work from where you left off.